Hey folks, today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing on some Alpinestars. They are the Tech 7 Enduro Drystar boots. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try to get you the best angle here and try to get some close-ups of the boots, but I will try them on and get them out of the box here. Again, these are the Alpinestar Tech 7 Enduro Drystar, and I wanted to make sure I got the Drystar because you know, the other ones are not waterproof, the non-Drystars, so we'll call them that. I got a great deal on these off of eBay, and I'm looking at the current prices. I paid $316 on eBay, and RevZilla currently has these for $479. So I think I scored a pretty good deal here. Just out of the box, you know, I mean, they are some pretty nice looking boots here, and let's just see how these buckles go. And of course, there is going to be some Velcro. All right. And yes, I am wearing Crocs, okay? So get over it. All right, so like I said, I usually do wear size 13, so I was able to pretty much slide right into these, and my pants can tuck down in there pretty easily. These are some pretty thin camel pants. You know, of course, if I go over, you know, do a water crossing or something, you know, any water is gonna get in there and they will likely get wet inside, but we're gonna try not to do that. It's a little weird that two of the buckles go this way and then two go this way. That would be my only observation there. Put the other one on real quick. So again, we got tags still on. These are CE certified, if that means anything to you. Okay, we'll get that CE tag off of there. Just throw that in the box. And again, two buckles going one way, two going the other way here. A little bit weird. I am used to some other motorcycle boots, and actually ski boots, you know, they all tend to go the same way from what I remember. Okay, foot slides in there pretty easily. That's a little bit weird, that plastic is folded up a little bit. I suppose if that goes underneath, I don't know. But looks like the buckles are very easy to maneuver, and I'm sure there's some adjustability there. Like if I click them in further. And we've got some pretty good flex there, it looks like. Probably want to tighten this top up a bit. again, that has the adjustment there. Yeah, they're feeling really comfortable. Definitely comfortable out of the box. I could easily walk in these, no problem. Of course, you know, they are going to be a little bit clunky, and you know, not like you're going to want to walk any long distance, but the good protection, and hopefully, you know, I won't need these to save me from any issues, but definitely good to have the right protection on and gear when you're riding. So this is a part of my gear I'm going to use, and yeah, I like these. You know, not bad out of the box. Actually, I will take these off real quick and just give you a close-up view of the boots. Not bad to get them off. Okay, like I said here, the only weird thing here is this plastic, and you know, that will tuck in, or it should tuck in. And hopefully it does not become an issue, but we will just put that down in there. Looks like I can tighten this one a little bit. Okay, there you go, folks. Alpinestar Tech 7 Enduro Drystar. It says replaceable insert right there, whatever that means. Pretty nice tread on there. Some grippy area for your shifter. Grip on the inside. Looks like there's a hinge up here and another hinge in this area. Yeah, they're really comfy. I'm happy. Okay, I hope this helps.